In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom text and notes to your chart in Tradingview. Start by opening your charts so you are looking at the symbol and time frame you want to work with. A clear view helps you decide exactly where your text or notes will be most helpful. Think about what you want to highlight, maybe a pattern, a key level, or a reminder for your next session, so your additions stay focused and useful. To add custom text, move to the left toolbar and click the text tool, the one with the T icon. Then click directly on your chart at the spot where you want the label to appear. A pop-up box will open. Type your message there. Keep it short and specific, like breakout zone or earnings gap, so it's easy to scan later. After typing, look for the floating toolbar. Use it to adjust the font, color, and size. Choose a font size that's readable without overpowering your candles, and pick a color that contrasts with your background for clarity. For example, use light colors on dark themes and darker tones on light themes. Consistent color coding: one color for support, another for resistance, makes your chart easier to interpret at a glance. If you want more specialized notes, like something that points to a specific bar or adds a clear callout, use the annotation tools. Click the text tool again and open the drop-down. Then select Annotation Note Tools. This is where you'll find anchored notes and callouts, as well as floating comments or notes. Anchored notes are great when you want your text tied to a particular candle or price level, helping you remember exactly what happened at that point. Callouts are perfect for drawing attention to highs, lows, or breakout candles because they point right to the spot you are describing. Floating comments or notes work well for general reminders that don't need to be attached to a single bar. When you place an annotation, you'll see a similar pop-up for typing, and the same floating toolbar for formatting. Again, refine the font, color, and size, so the note is clear without cluttering your view. As you add more, leave a bit of space around your text, so your price action stays visible, and keep your wording concise. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.